Hey guys, I did the Walmart order online and pick up, and this was on the website stating that they actually had it, and so since I couldn't exchange it, I got a new one. And look, it's got plastic. There's plastic on it. And it's not broken. Look at how pretty. So since I wasn't able to exchange the other one that had been touched, I was able to get... Now I know why the other one was like broken on the back. Trying to get this thing out is kind of hard. Get out of that box. There it is. It does have like a little corner here that you can kind of use to help get it out, but it's all holographic and stuff. But yeah, it actually just kind of fits down in this little case. And this one actually smells like it should. And this one actually smells like the Physicians Formula butter products that I already have. So this is nice. The other one didn't have any fragrance at all, or kind of smelled funny. This one actually does